My name is Doan Nainggolan. I'm from Aarhus University, senior researcher in ecological and environmental economics.
What's the added value of working on biodiversity in a trans and interdisciplinary setting?
Looking at the Biocapital Consortium, we have the diversity not only in terms of fields or disciplines, right, but also the practitioners, and then we have the use cases. So for me, actually, it is a great opportunity. We are learning from each other, we are giving in, and then with aiming, collectively to pave that journey to come to this vision of bringing change on the ground, particularly having these real use cases within the project.